Hello, good evening. Tonight I am starting my starter kit gift giving guide. Before I actually talk about the amazing gifts, such easy ones that you can do by buying a starter kit, or maybe you already have one, right? A lot of us do, what you can make with it. I wanted to share that the starter kit, there's a holiday one, and the premium starter kit are like your survival kit for the holiday season. And so in this video, I'm just going to share some quick uses that you're going to be amazed at and want this starter kit if you don't already have it, or you're also going to see how you can gift that to others. And then throughout the week, I'm going to share other tips and videos about DIYs and how you can use the oils in the holiday starter kit or the premium starter kit to give as gifts. So that's all you need. So let's start. In the new holiday starter kit of essential oils, it is limited edition. And so you get 9 oils and a peppermint hand sanitizer and a cute, I don't have it with me, a cute diffuser that's smaller, and it's like a nice greenish blue color called a Sweet Aroma, and that super cute leopard print carrying case, so you can take it if you are traveling or just store it there or use it for something else. I will post a picture of it in this Facebook group. But let's talk about what oils you get in the holiday starter kit, okay? So I'm going to start here. All the favorites. These are so great. Lemon, lavender, peppermint, thieves, frankincense, joy. This is a good one. Peace and calming, bergamot. Oh, I love bergamot. And grapefruit. Amazing ones. These definitely will help you with stress and emotions. Half of them at least, okay? So let me go through this. Here are some fun things that I came up with that everyone might be dealing with and how it could be your survival kit for the holiday season. I'm going to share oils from the holiday starter kit and the premium starter kit. There are a few different ones in the premium starter kit. So let's talk about stress. There's so much to do, right? Putting on that special Thanksgiving meal and everyone's expecting the best, right? And delicious food, or finding the foods and maybe getting them at the grocery store, Christmas shopping, Christmas pictures. You know, we're all stressed. So what do you use? So many choices here. So definitely bergamot, peace and calming, joy, frankincense, lavender can help with stress. If you have the premium starter kit or want to buy it, Stress Away and Valor are also great choices for stress. Make a roller or diffuse it, slather it on, consistently keep it with you. Okay, something else that we all need for the holiday season or all the time is energy. Do you lack energy for Christmas shopping or for Thanksgiving food shopping? You want to jingle all the way to New Year's, right? And we are excited for a new year and new beginnings. Well, energy. Okay, definitely peppermint. This is my go-to. I love combining it with lemon or citrus fresh. It would also be great with joy. These will perk you up and give you pep in your step to do everything you need to do on your to-do list. What I do is diffuse it or put it in a roller ball and apply it behind my ears, on my wrist, on my chest, and whew, I'm ready to go. Something else that we've been experiencing, so many of us, not just the winter blues, but maybe 2020 blues, sadness and depression and just a lot of emotional needs, right? So there are oils here to help you. I feel like by just diffusing one of my favorite simple oils, lemon, it perks me up. I feel happy. And when I need stronger support, joy. This one, I want to smell right now. It brings joy to your life. It is a blend of mostly geranium, so it's sweet, and citrus oils in there too. Another one that really helps emotions, anxiety, depression is, oh, not grapefruit, bergamot. This one also is sweet smelling. It's a single oil. It's the oil that, if you're familiar with Earl Grey tea, it smells delicious. So this will definitely help you. And frankincense. Frankincense is very grounding and gives you peace, maybe even peace and calming. Lots of choices. Everybody is different. So I would try one, and then if it doesn't uplift your mood, try another one. That's why getting a kit is the best idea, because just trying out one, it might work for your friend, but maybe not for you. And so you have different choices. And believe me, this holiday kit is like all the good smelling oils. Okay, another thing might happen is that we get not feeling so well. We go below the wellness line, and we do not want that. And it's scary with the coronavirus out there. Not saying this will cure anything, but this will help you. And you want to be preventative. So Thieves to the rescue. Thieves, frankincense, lemon, and peppermint are all amazing for your immune system. And all of these too are great for your respiratory system. So what I like to do is use Thieves and lemon and make a tea out of it. These are vitality oils so that you can ingest them, and put hot water and a little bit of honey and take that, especially when your throat's not feeling right. I love to diffuse it, make a chest rub, even add them in a green smoothie. Have you been feeling like you're shopping till you're dropping on the online, preparing for Black Friday or all the Christmas season of shopping, or maybe physically going in stores if they're open for you? Not here in San Diego. So you can definitely put on some, my frankincense to rub on your sore muscles. If you have the premium starter kit, Pan Away is like pain away. This one is amazing for any aches and pains and sore muscles. Take a bath with Epsom salts and add your Pan Away or Peace and Calming to relieve your muscles. Now, my favorite oil is what Jesus received. If it's good enough for Jesus, it's good enough for me, and that's frankincense. This one is amazing for your skin, for your health, for your concentration, for your focus and grounding. So if you want the same thing that Jesus received, you can get that. It's in both starter kits. Now, do you want to sleep with sugar plums dancing in your head just for the holiday season for Christmas? Well, you have an amazing assortment of different essential oils here that help with relaxation and sleep. Let me name them real fast. Lavender, Peace and Calming, Bergamot, and did I say that? Oh, frankincense. And in the regular starter kit, also Stress Away and Valor definitely help with sleep. Diffuse those, put them on topically, and there you go. Now, Thanksgiving is a time when we eat a lot, right? And even during the Christmas season too. All the treats, all the different foods. Well, it takes a toll on your digestive system, or maybe you feel like you need a detox after it. So I have you covered there too. Oils for your tummy. Peppermint. Start putting 1 drop in 20 ounces of water and drink that every day, almost as a preventative. Bonus, it also helps against sugar cravings. And I also love to add lemon. Lemon is a gentle detox, flushes out the bad things in your system. And you get grapefruit in this kit, the holiday starter kit. This is a metabolism booster. So that will be great after you maybe have too much, or put that in your water and sip it. So those great. If you have the premium starter kit, the amazing oil for digestion is Digest. And you can take that internally or put it right on your stomach. What we do in our house too is also apply peppermint topically diluted with a carrier oil, and it relieves any tummy troubles. Okay, so are you going to be taking pictures with Santa or Christmas card with your family and you want to have beautiful, young looking, radiant skin and mermaid kind of hair, well, look at in this kit, you are covered as well. I put on frankincense and lavender nightly. I made a DIY, my own night serum with a little bit of grapeseed oil. And I put that on, especially around here and my neck at night. And I've had amazing results. Now, lavender is also in this kit and it is great for your hair. So you could add some to your conditioner, shampoo, or put it on directly, even drop it in your head. It's great for your scalp. Beautiful hair. Finally, does the Grinch live at your house? And he needs some, or she needs some Christmas spirit? Well, I have an oil for you in this holiday kit, Joy. Joy is amazing. It will give you the Christmas spirit, lift up your mood, and be happy. But not only joy, if you don't care for this sweet, sweet smell, I like to add it with lemon, perking up your moods, but grapefruit. Sometimes we're a little grinchy during, with some hormones going on if there's women in your house. Grapefruit essential oil is actually excellent for hormone support. So diffusing it, putting it in your water is awesome. Now, also, frankincense just grounds you. So I like to put a drop on the crown of my head, the beginning of the day, and I feel like I'm not as irritated or crazy around that time of the month. Well, whatever your favorite smell is, the Grinch, diffuse that, or the Grinch in your house, and maybe he or she will be more happy. Finally, sometimes something doesn't go right in the kitchen and we burn something. I know that's happened with me. So refreshing and getting good air in our house. We are spending more time at home. And diffusing totally helps the air quality. So sometimes when something goes bad in the kitchen, I diffuse lemon. It brightens it up. Another strong one would be peppermint or Thieves. And in the premium starter kit, citrus fresh. So I hope you don't burn your Thanksgiving turkey or your Christmas cookies, but I've got you covered here. So that was just a few ideas on some ways how the holiday starter kit is your survival kit for the holidays. And this little beauty, you get, I told you, 9 oils and a hand sanitizer, a diffuser, and a cute leopard case for $150. That's it. It's worth way over $200. Now, another great option is the premium starter kit, and you get 12 oils, so a few additional more. You get hand sanitizer, you get a few more little freebies, samples, a bigger diffuser as well. And so that's a great option, and that's $165. So then I hope you got some tips here. I hope you got excited and saw my excitement for oils, because they're just all a part of our house and they have changed our family's life. So later this week, I will be sharing videos on how these starter kits have so many gift giving opportunities. You can give certain oils away separately, or you can DIY with them. So even if you get this kit for yourself, you're set for a ton of Christmas gifts. And I'm going to give you tons of nifty, cool, practical, fun ideas that you can make with them with a few other ingredients, supplies for gift giving. So you'll be set. So if you need to get one of these kits, let me know. Or if your friend showed you this video, talk to your friend. All right. Have a great evening, and I hope you're getting excited for the holiday season like I am.